Today we're diving into Scribie, an advanced transcription service designed to convert audio and video files into accurate text. Scribie is widely used by professionals, businesses, and individuals to transcribe interviews, meetings, podcasts, and more. Throughout this video, we'll explore Scribie's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you make a good decision.
Let's take a look at Scribie's main features. High accuracy transcription. Scribie offers industry-leading transcription accuracy, leveraging advanced algorithms and human proofreading to ensure precise transcriptions. Each transcription undergoes multiple quality checks to guarantee an error-free output. Fast turnaround time. Scribie provides quick turnaround times for transcriptions, with options for expedited delivery available. Whether you need transcripts within hours or days, Scribie can accommodate your deadlines without compromising on quality. Custom formatting options. Scribie allows users to customize formatting preferences, including timestamps, speaker identification, and file segmentation. This flexibility ensures that transcripts align with specific requirements and preferences. Secure and confidential. Scribie prioritizes data security and confidentiality, implementing robust encryption protocols and strict privacy measures. Users can trust Scribie to handle sensitive information with the utmost confidentiality. Integrated editing tools. Scribie offers integrated editing tools, allowing users to review and edit transcriptions within the platform. This feature streamlines the editing process and enables users to make quick revisions as needed. Affordable pricing plans. Scribie offers competitive pricing plans tailored to different transcription needs and budgets. Whether you require occasional transcriptions or bulk orders, Scribie offers cost-effective solutions to suit your requirements.
Scribie's pricing structure is transparent and straightforward, with options for pay-as-you-go pricing or subscription-based plans. Pay-as-you-go rates start at 80 cents per audio minute for regular turnaround time, with additional charges for faster delivery options. Subscription plans offer discounted rates for high-volume users, starting at $29 per month for 720 minutes of transcription. Users praise Scribie for its user-friendly interface and seamless transcription process. The platform's intuitive design and straightforward workflow make it easy to upload files, track transcription progress, and download completed transcripts. Users appreciate Scribie's efficiency and reliability in delivering accurate transcriptions promptly. Scribie's pros include high transcription accuracy, fast turnaround times, customizable formatting options, secure data handling, integrated editing tools, and affordable pricing plans. However, some users may encounter occasional delays in transcription delivery, particularly during peak periods. Additionally, complex audio files or accents may require additional editing for optimal accuracy.
Alternatives to Scribie include Rev, TranscribeMe, GoTranscript, and Otter AI. These transcription services offer similar features and functionalities, allowing users to choose the platform that best aligns with their transcription needs and preferences.
In conclusion, Scribie stands out as a reliable and efficient transcription solution, offering high accuracy, fast turnaround times, customizable formatting options, and affordable pricing. Whether you're a freelancer, business professional, or content creator, Scribie empowers you to transcribe audio and video files with ease and confidence. Sign up today and experience the convenience of Scribie for your transcription needs. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more software reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.